Hello you guys, and welcome to a new episode. And I'm going to prepare the car for the dyno. I failed a little bit with the dyno part because I had turned my expectations up so I can have like the car on the dyno this February. But as usual, thing doesn't happen as it's supposed to. The car is going to the dyno in the beginning of March, so maybe the 10th March or something like that. I had Daniel from DRS Preformance over here to check the car out before dyno session, and there are some stuff he is going to do before the car gets on the dyno, like installing the computer and some wiring for the computer and some solenoids and stuff I know nothing about. So he's going to install those few things. He calls me when it's done, and then we're going to the dyno. So I'm super excited. As of right now, it looks like this in the car. The floor pan is welded and mounted. It's very hard to weld in this kind of aluminium, and also done on the driver's side. I have mounted the fuse box on a plate and the relays, and I also been welding this hole shut. I TIG welded it, and I mounted battery box. Also hang the door. I have started the engine up and everything works good. We are ready for a dyno session.